what's happening? Welcome back to my channel. I do apologize for not posting a video in a little while, just been going through some stuff, but I'm back with another awesome video. And look what I've done. I've changed my Backfire board. Stay tuned. So I don't know if any of you guys follow my Instagram page, but I was going to actually post a video about how to actually do the complete deck swap, but it's so easy, guys. I don't really see any need for me to make a video and put on YouTube. Plus there's like a lot of other videos out there anyways, so I don't really want to put anyone up. But yeah, I'm just out here testing. It's been really raining today, but I'm just trying to find the break in rain, trying to find some nice gravel. Yeah, what can I tell you about the board? Basically, if you follow my channel, you know that I snapped my original Backfire deck, snapped it right in half. That's no problem because I'm actually really happy. I should have done this a lot sooner. So the deck I've got on at the moment is a drop-through deck. Let me show you. So there it is, drop-through. It's really, really nice. I swear that it feels like it's a lot more quicker now, especially on pull-off. It just literally, it just goes now. Maybe because it's shorter to the ground, I don't know, but quick. Right, so I've just stopped for a little rest. Really beautiful view of Bournemouth Pier over there. But yeah, the deck on here is a 40-inch deck. I believe it's 9 inches wide. Put a little light on there. Can't really see in the day, but pretty cool. Let me switch them around for you. Come on, camera. There we go. So all you really need to do if you want to do a deck swap is take the trucks off, take the battery off, take your enclosure off, and just bolt them all back on. Obviously, you're going to need a drill to drill some holes over here. Yes, I know I do need to drill a few more holes there and over there, but this is just a temporary little fix. But yeah, carves like a dream. Absolutely awesome board. One of my main worries about getting a drop-through deck was Backfire's enclosures are quite large, and I was really worried about ground clearance, but as you can see, guys, it's got quite a bit of ground clearance. Look at the speed of that jet ski, fucking racing. That basically concludes my video for today, guys. I'm not making a long video. I haven't really got much stuff to make it about except for my board. Oh, there's a car. But yeah, I would really recommend, if you've got a Backfire or G3, change the deck because it makes it literally a brand new board. Oh, like a dream now. But anyways, hope you guys have a good time during quarantine times, and I'll be posting soon.